Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Dee. So for today's video, we are going to show you how we are doing the full. Here guys, the fava beans, they call it full here in Egypt. We just soak it for 24 hours because the fava beans is very hard guys. So you need to soak it so it will soften the beans. So here is our fava beans. We're preparing to cook it. Now it's soft. And we are mixed with all of our ingredients, guys. So I'm going to show you all the ingredients. First is the fava beans. And here is our spices. It's lentil and fava beans also. But some pieces of it. It's kind of half fava beans. See, we just cut it, guys. So here is the next one. It's some spices, salt, kamon, paprika, and beans. And the two beans there, it's called mystica, guys. I'm not sure what it is in English, but they called it mystica. It gives some smell like that. So the next one, the very important one, is our lemon. This is our lemon, guys. Don't cut the lemon. Just keep it whole. Just 2 is enough, guys, because of the quantity that we are doing. It's not that too much huge. Here is our special cooking pot. This special pot, guys, for the full. And we just cover it. Make sure it's full covered. So all we need for our delicious special full is here and ready to mix. So here guys, make sure everything is done well. Here the fava beans, the spices, and your pot. Everything is ready. So let's start it. Just pick some fava beans, guys. Put it in your pot. This our pot is like antique, guys. It's now like 3-4 decades. So this is the quantity of our fava beans, our full. So here in Egypt, we used to eat the full 1-2 times in the day. It's very, very nice. You can mix it with the lemon, salt. You can mix also with some onions, tomatoes, like salad. It's so delicious, guys. You will love eating full. Even you eat full every day, you will really love it. So I'm slowly putting everything, so I will not drop some fava beans in the table. So slowly, guys. I've been here, guys, in Egypt for few months now, and I've been eating full a lot. So I asked my father-in-law to teach me, and he told me what I should do. Then this what I am doing now, guys. I'm trying to do our full. This quantity of full, it will stay with you guys maybe 3-4 days. But still, it's depend on you guys on how many times you eat full in the day. So this is all our ingredients. I am putting now all the ingredients in the pot slowly. So this is all of our ingredients that we need to make our special, delicious full. All the Egyptians, they love to eat full, guys. Then this makes your energy for the day really active. You have a lot of energy to do anything in the whole day. So it will stay longer in your tummy. So I love really full. And this is my first time to make a full. Inshallah, guys, it will be so delicious because I made it with all of my heart. So here, guys, I'm putting everything. And the last one we need to put, guys, is the lemon. So we need to put the spices first. All of these spices, this quantity is a very good quantity for our full. Look at these two beans, guys. It's called mystica. So we'll just put the mystica first, and we will put our spices, the cumin, paprika. I'm just really doing everything, guys, slowly for you to see it very well, and I don't want to drop any of my ingredients on my table. I've been waiting for one day for this because I soak the fava beans and waiting for the next day to make the full. So I'm kind of excited, guys, doing this. So I finish all our ingredients. We need to put the remaining ingredients, that is our 2 lemon, and just drop the lemon. We don't need to cut them. We'll just drop them on our pots. And this is our special ingredients, guys. It's really making our food so tasty, delicious. It's like for 5-star hotel, guys. It's more than the 5-star hotel. This food, it's so amazing. The taste, it's very healthy. It's everything here in Egypt, guys. So I am so happy that I am learning how to do some Egyptian food, guys, especially the full, because full is everything here in Egypt. So we will just add the hot water, guys, on our pot for making our full more faster to cook. And just leave it on the pot, guys. See how it's boiling inside. So we need to leave it for 5 hours. And here is our full. So we just add some egg on it, guys. It's so delicious. Wow, amazing. Love Egypt. Then, guys, we drink tea after our breakfast. I love really drinking tea after the breakfast, especially under the sun, guys. Thank you for watching, everyone, and see you on my next vlog. Love ya. Bye-bye.